We've been talking about circular economies here today on this webinar. So what next in decarb? What's around the corner for us?
Well, I want to stay positive, of course, because what is around the corner is, from our side, still quite a long way to go. And the clock is ticking very fast. So with D-CRBN, we are doing everything that we can to scale at the speed of light. That's actually our main challenge, is to keep scaling. And we're doing that as fast as we can. I think what you can expect from D-CRBN in the next few years is that where we move towards a commercial entity with a product that we will put on the market that will enable us to provide industries with more sustainable feedstock. And we will do that first on, I would call it, a smaller level, and that's still at 10,000 tons per year. It is not that meaningful in let's say overall carbon emissions, but it's the first step in the right direction for sure. And we are very let's say our ambition is very high, because we are convinced that we can really change the face of industry, how we are knowing it today. Where everything is based on CO2 rather than fossil feedstock. But that's, of course, the long-term vision. And on short-term, it is, step by step. And unfortunately, it's baby steps.
Thank you for that, Gill. Great message there. And Maxence, the same question to you. What's next in decarb for you?
So next step for sure in short term will be to continue this job, to permit at methanization site, to have a good business plan, to permit to avoid the greenhouse with a good operation, with a good services, and with standard product when it's possible, to have some source of mutualization from some site to another. The next step in decarbonation or circular economies, I think in middle term will be for sure to go on new market, to go with CO2, with a very important subject. We speak a lot today about the market of CCU, of carbon capture system, and so on. So to be able tomorrow to go on an important subject to decarbonize the aviation sectors with new fuels and so on, like I have introduced in my speaking. We heard a lot about future project and project under development, actually, under research and development. We will speak about methanation and so on. So for sure, a lot of subject to have in view and to be studied, actually. But in our vision, our perspective in short term will be to continue about the biomethane, develop a lot of projects, because we trust a lot about this energy with actually the more developed concerning other and to continue about CO2 and decarbonize little more step by step the biomethane inject into the grid or use like bioenergy.
Thank you, Maxence. And Angelica, I'll leave the final words with you, with our sponsor today, Nippon Gases. What would be your takeaway? What's next in decarb?
Yeah, I think that all talking around this webinar, I think that the takeoff I have of this is that we're all sharing the thought that we need to cooperate between different businesses to find new ways of recycling products and giving them new life. And policymakers need to support that, because of course investment will not have to be all on the industry side. But I think that in a way or another, pretty soon the challenges will be overcome and we will be able to make really circular economy a reality.